19 to 39. All right, let's kind of talk about a deep morning drive. And what I mean by deep morning drive, like you have to mentally get up, and I think it's the same, mentally get up to go to school. You got to take a shower or a bath. You got to brush your teeth. You got to get dressed. You got to make sure you got your backpack, your book, everything you need. Your phone is charged, your cord. Same thing with me. I get ready. If you don't warm up your car in the morning, your windshield will never, the inside of the winds of your window will never get warm enough to melt the snow and ice. So your window's always going to be foggy. In a deep drive, say me going a 30-mile drive one way, I'm going to let my car warm up a few minutes outside. I'm going to go through a drive-through and get a coffee. I may even get my breakfast through a drive-through because it's more convenient. Do the math times 5. Do the math times 20. I'm spending a lot of money every morning on breakfast. Me, I've got to go through 25 lights, 2 different expressways, 4 different roundabouts. I got to go 3 different counties. I'm just making the situation up. So I have a deeper driving. Also, I'm more at risk of getting hit because the further you go, the more risk you have of getting broadsided, getting hit. People run lights. They're sleep driving in the morning. They're speeding in the morning. They're tired. People are coming off a midnight shift. I have so many more variables that could kill me, where maybe your variable could be maybe you run a stop sign or maybe you go into a ditch. But because he's being exposed to that, his risks are greater. But if he takes it slow, leaves early, finds his rhythm, hey, if I drive about 65 in the middle lane, no one's going to bother me. Or if I drive about 70 in the middle lane, the fast drivers, they can get to the left of me. The slow drivers will stay to the right. He's got to find that right speed. Where you guys, if you go to an expressway, if I go in the fast lane, I can go 75 or 80, but you don't have control. If you go to the right lane, you're going to be going 55 or 60. You're going to get cut off by trucks, so you're going to panic and cut over. So Liam is going to have more risk up front, but in the back end of his experience, he's going to learn more. Now, if Liam leaves late all the time, he's going to learn to drive fast. And he's going to be 77, 82. He can get to school in like 35 minutes, but you better not call mom. How did you get to school in 24 minutes? You were speeding. So Liam can't call mom, or he can't call dad, or he can't have the Life 360 app on. Your parents can tell how fast you're going, trust me, right?